friends and neighbors. As you can probably tell from my voice, I have been sick the past week. That's why I've not uploaded a video, and I have just been doing the YouTube shorts. An illness has went through our household. All three of my kids, my husband, and myself were all sick, and I was the last one to get it, of course. For some reason, that's how it usually goes. But we are all on the mend, and I'm finally getting my voice back. So on today's video, I'm going to try to catch up on some house cleaning, on some things that have piled up. And you'll see my daughter, she's going to be helping me with a lot of things. But I won't be talking throughout this video. I don't think my voice will cooperate with me too long. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi. And I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for visiting me. And I will talk with you all next time.